Hey guys, what's up? In this video I will show you how to get the Recon Expert skin completely for free on your PS4, Xbox, PC device. It works on all devices and it takes only a few minutes. It is the only working method that I could find to get the Recon Expert skin. And guys, if you are somehow struggling with adding this skin, just let me know down below. Comment with your Fortnite username and your device and I'll try to help you. But first let's go on to the method. Open up your Safari or Chrome browser and type in getskins.online. Getskins.online is the website, guys. And now here, as you can see, there's a multitude of skins to choose from. I'll go with the Recon Expert skin because this is the skin that I want to generate right now. Type in your Fortnite username, make sure it is correct, and then choose your platform and then press generate. Okay, the process of generating the skin has already begun, as you can see, and here is the progress. Okay, we should have the skin any moment. And guys, to finish the process we have to download and open two apps for around 30 seconds and then the skin will be added instantly to our Fortnite account. You can choose any two apps from this list, download them and open them for 30 or 40 seconds. Usually this is the instructions, but you can read them here just to make sure. Okay, and now let's wait for these two apps to download. It shouldn't take long. And guys, as I've said, just post your Fortnite username and your device and I'll try to help you generate the skin for you. Let's open this app, interact with it, which means using it for at least 30 or 40 seconds. As you can see, the method is simple, straight to the point. It is the only method that could help me get these skins straight to my account, easy and fast. Okay, and after this we'll go to the second app. That should be enough. Now let me go to the other app and again keep it open for 30 or 40 seconds. Okay, very simple. And after this I'll check my Fortnite account to see if the Recon Expert skin has been added to my account, and it should be there right now. Just install one more app, guys. If the skin hasn't appeared, it can speed up the process just to make sure. Okay, I'm going to go and check my account now. And as you can see, guys, I have the Recon Expert skin on my account right now. I can use it. This method has worked wonderfully and I hope you got your Recon Expert skin as well. Until next time, guys, peace.